Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys phone do not disturb mode setting in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to disable guys your phone do not disturb mode. So how can you disable it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So we will on guys our phone setting to disable do not disturb mode. And friends, you can see guys on your screen guys this icon guys you want to remove, so you can remove from here. So friends, you will have to click on guys your phone notification setting guys, tap on notification, then guys scroll it friends, click on guys your do not disturb setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see do not disturb is enabled guys, we will disable from here. So friends, you can see guys this do not disturb mode icon has removed on our screen, and you can use guys your phone without your do not disturb mode setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends have understood how to disable phone do not disturb mode in Samsung phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.